how to download Google Play Store apps on your iOS device. So if you want to download Google Play Store apps on your iOS device, then you can do that only from your browser. So what you need to do is first open up your Safari browser. Once you open, go with the search, and under search you need to search for Play Market. Once you search for it, simply tap on the first search, and now it will take you to the Google Play, right? So you just need to simply go with the bottom middle, which has that arrow like icon. Once you tap on it, here you will have an option of add to home screen. Simply tap on add to home screen and then give it a name and tap on add, which is on the upper right. And once you added that to home screen, now you just need to simply go with your home screen and tap on the shortcut which you have just added. And once you tap on it, it will take you to the Google Play Store, and from here you can simply install any games that you would like. So that's how you can download Google Play Store on your iOS. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.